This is an update for Thursday, March 20th on the Bezy project. So what I did today was I implemented just a really kind of basic, unstyled version of the coordinate pane. So you see we have these selected here. We've got no width and height there, just the X and Y. You select them both. We've got our quadrants, so we can see now we're at 520. We set it to the center, 528, 536. You can select all these. Yeah. And then so this can do like affine transformations, and there's a lot of stuff we can use this for. And then also what I did today was for the pen tool, I implemented snapping the grid. So you can see we kind of have our checkered board grid here, and as you can see, I have this snapping directly in the middle here, directly there. So this is really nice. So you can say, you can draw a line from here, draw a line from here, draw over here, and so now we look down at the coordinate pane, and you can see this is placing these points at exact integers. But we still allow like certain things to be floating point, like off-curve handles are a lot of times, like if they're at an angle, you'll want an off-curve handle to be at a floating point to avoid having like a kink in the design. And you definitely need floating points for doing the Hyper Bezier stuff, which is over here, which we'll implement pretty soon. So we've got snapping to grid for the pen tool. And I also did snapping to grid for the rectangle tool. So as you can see, we'll drag the rectangle tool out, and it kind of neatly snaps to grid. We let it go. And
welcome to a moment of calmness from one a day. That's right, a calming moment from a vitamin brand. Wait, don't zone out yet. One a day.
I had a vitamin ad playing on YouTube anyway. Okay, so here we go. We've got this, we've got this, we've got this. And so we also have snapping to grid for the ellipse tool. So we'll drag this out and let that go. And then we'll come over here and you can see integer. Oh, so that's interesting. This is a floating point on the Y. So I guess that makes sense. But anyway, the on-curve points should all be integers. And then lastly, we have the rounded rectangle tool, which is also snapping the grid. So we got snap the grid there. And it looks like that's an integer. Yeah. Anyway, so that's the current state of things. I'll do another update tomorrow, hopefully. Thanks. Bye.